Welcome to our English lesson. Today we will practice our listening and speaking skills and also learn some interesting vocabulary. Welcome to an exciting adventure into the world of friendship. Today we embark on a journey to explore the special bond between a child and their best friend. Through this immersive English learning experience, young learners will discover the joys of friendship, practice essential language skills, and engage in fun activities that celebrate the unique qualities of their best friends. Let's meet my best friend Emily. She is kind, funny, and always there for me. We love playing together at the park and sharing our toys. Emily has curly brown hair and loves to wear colorful dresses. She is my best friend because she makes me laugh and helps me when I'm sad. Emily and I have so much fun together. We ride bikes, play tag, and have picnics in the park. We also enjoy going to the zoo and seeing all the animals. Last summer, we went on a camping trip with our families and roasted marshmallows over the campfire. It was an adventure we'll never forget. When I fell off my bike and scraped my knee, Emily was there to help me. She gave me a Band-Aid and told me everything would be okay. When Emily was nervous about starting a new school, I encouraged her and told her she would make new friends. That's what best friends do, they support each other no matter what. Emily and I are different in many ways, but that's what makes our friendship special. She likes to read books and I like to play soccer. She's good at drawing and I'm good at singing. Even though we have different interests, we always find fun things to do together. That's the beauty of friendship, celebrating our differences and learning from each other. Some of my favorite memories with Emily are our adventures at the beach. We build sand castles, collect seashells, and splash in the waves. We also take silly photos and laugh until our stomachs hurt. These memories are precious to me, and I'm grateful to have a best friend like Emily to share them with. As we conclude our journey into the world of friendship, let us cherish the special bond we share with our best friends. Through laughter, support, and unforgettable moments, we discover the true value of friendship and the joy it brings to our lives. As we continue to learn and grow together, may our friendships remain strong and resilient, enriching our lives with love, laughter, and endless possibilities. If this journey through tales of friendship has touched your heart, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Join our community where learning and friendship never end.